All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about AMP token. We were talking before how it's a great time to load up. I think you're going to like this price where AMP's at right this second. It's definitely in the discount buy when I talk about the discount buy thing. Going to go to their Twitter, go to their website, kind of go to an article that talks about AMP being a good buy right this second. Also, McDonald's is getting into cryptocurrency, their own or somebody else's. We're going to find that out too. $6 million in crypto. We're going to check this out too. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, AMP token. If you're just getting into AMP, you're going to like this price. If you've been in when it was 4 or 5, 6, 7 cents, you're maybe not going to like this price. This is a great time to balance out your numbers, and if you do get some more, it's going to bring your cost average down. Let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP is the 71st cryptocurrency on the list. Here's that discount buy. It's down 14%. Well, I remember saying that people wanted the coin to go under 5 cents so they could load up. And then when I was saying when it was under 4 cents or at 4 cents to load up. Well, now it's at under 3 cents, 2.9. Clicking it. So again, this token is down about a 0.8%, almost a percent in the last 24 hours. It's at not quite 3 cents. So this could be a great time to reposition or get into AMP. If you think the AMP's going to hit that number that it hit, the record high was in June last year, like 11 or 12 cents. Let's check out here in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, it was as high as 3.3, and now it's at 2.9. That's not too bad. In the last month, this token got to 5 cents, 5 cents, 4.5 cents. All right, let's check out the holders and see what's going on with the holders. 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, there was 50,000 holders. Today, there's 66,000 holders. 16,000 goes into about a third. So about a 33% more people hold in the AMP token right now in the last 90 days. That's actually pretty good, everybody. So I want to talk about this article here. It says, AMP token is soaring today, and it's got some points here about AMP, and I kind of wanted to go over it. AMP provides a scalable platform for digital assets transfers and staking for assets, including digital payments, units, fiat currency, loan distribution, and property sales. It says right here, why most top cryptocurrencies are seeing continued sell-offs, trading other names including Polygon, Avalanche, Polkadot, and Near have seen the respective cryptocurrency price post significantly gains over the last 24 hours. Some tokens backed by highly scalable services and cross networks and access-wise bearish markets pressure. And AMP crypto appears to be benefiting from the trend. So here's the part. Even after the posting big gains today, AMP crypto has slid roughly 26% in the last 7 days. And then here's the other part. In the big sell-off in the broader crypto space recent months, the token is also down roughly 77% of its lifetime high in June. So right there, AMP token right now is 77% lower than its high last June. AMP has a market cap of 1.2 trillion and ranks 72nd. The organization's core staking services sees increased adoption on the broader crypto market, bounces back for a rally, and a token could see big price gains for current level. All right, so why AMP crypto could be a good investment there. All right, so again, AMP, when people were saying they wanted to be under 5 cents to load up, then under 4 cents to load up. I mean, it's under 3 cents right now, 2.9. I mean, so you definitely want to check that out. We may not see it this low again. I don't know. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, what about McDonald's getting into cryptocurrency? All right, let's check this one out. This McDonald's meme, cryptocurrency, is worth $6 million. Well, here's what it says. There's your logo. Starbucks isn't the only company in the food industry working with digital currency. McDonald's is hopping onto the cryptocurrency bandwagon. The push for partnership came from the crypto fan begging on Twitter exchange between the fast food chain and Billy Marcus, who is one of the Dogecoin creators. All right, then Elon Musk, one of Dogecoin's biggest supporters, Enter the conversation. The Tesla Motor CEO published a tweet January 25th, which said, "I will eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts Dogecoin." All right, so Elon wants them to accept Dogecoin. Often gets social media users cracking up. Responds by saying, "Only if Tesla accepts." This message includes, here we go. So Grimace Coin is worth a lot. So take a look at this. So this could be the McDonald's. If you're a huge McDonald's fan, then you know that Grimace is one of the chain's most well-known icons, making him a perfect icon for the restaurant's own version of Doge. So this could be the own version of Dogecoin. It seemed that both tech enthusiasts, lovers, were both on board with the partnership. Dogecoin went up 6.75%, and McDonald's stock went up 1.3%, according to Entrepreneur and Fortune. The new Grimace Coin website and cryptocurrency gained over 1,000 holders. So the Grimace Coin definitely proved to be quite valuable, even though it started through a light heart banner between tech McDonald's social team. Over 10 different cryptocurrencies used in the name were created on the Binance Smart Chain and CoinDesk. All right, so here's a Grimace Coin, or is it going to be the Dogecoin? Is Elon Musk going to eat, a Happy Meal? He says right here, Elon Musk will eat a Happy Meal on TV. All right. So McDonald's is trying to get into the cryptocurrency game. Are they going to adopt Dogecoin? Are they going to form their own cryptocurrency? We will see. All right, don't forget to hit that like button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. AMP token, under 3 cents. This could be a fantastic opportunity for you. You may be looking back at this video in 6 months. I mean, if it goes back in June to what it did last June, that was like 11 or 12 cents. All right, let's head back over to AMP token. Couple things right here. Basically, Bitstamp, AMP is a collateral token providing assets. So Bitstamp is listing AMP and Phantom on Bitstamp, which is fantastic. We're listing Phantom and AMP. We're kicking off the year, listing 2 newcomers. So fantastic information to Phantom and AMP getting listed on Bitstamp. And then also another little tidbit, you probably heard this, maybe you haven't. Grayscale right here is actually offering AMP. We just announced an update waiting for Grayscale DeFi Fund, which now includes AMP. For the first time, AMP will be included in Grayscale's investment vehicle. That's right, everybody. So you can actually invest with Grayscale, and AMP could be one of your cryptocurrencies that's inside the actual project or the portfolio that you're working with. Over here at the AMP website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like USDC with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. There's 3 things you do with the AMP. You stake the AMP, you send the AMP, and then, of course, you repeat. Why AMP? AMP helps decentralize risk for your users with smart contract features. Purpose: built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. What's our price prediction? This coin's at 2.9 cents. I think it's going to go back to 4 cents. I used to say 8 to 12 cents. That could happen later on in the year. But if we just get back to where we were at 4 cents, 4.5 cents, from 3 cents to 4 cents is a whole cent. That's like a 33% increase. So I'm thinking it's going to go up to 4 cents in the next month or 2. All our information is for educational purposes only. If it does hit what it did last June when it went to 11 cents sometime in the summertime, that'd be fantastic. Looking at the outside here, again, AMP is down 14% in the last 7 days. CRV is down 25% in the last 7 days. Gala is down 24% in the last 7 days. So there's definitely all kinds of discount buys that you can look into. AMP token, 2.9 cents. This could be fantastic for everybody. All right, every day we bring a video to you at noon, Monday through Friday. Bonus videos are around 5 or 8 o'clock. Saturday, Sundays, we bring you a video around 3 or 4. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Cryptocurrency is our flavor, what we like to talk about. We have some projects we'll be talking about in the next few days. The Drip Network, maybe even some strong nose. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day today. See you a little bit later on today.